So Tree, what are we doing right now?
So I'm currently packing my clothes. I've lived in the UK for like 5 years now, and it seems like I've got a lot of clothes that I don't know that I have. So
So we have a big pile that is going to the charity shop.
yeah, that one is the one that I don't really wear that much. So heavy-heartedly, I just say goodbye to them. And
Goodbye.
then this is the ones that I'm probably gonna wear for the next 3 months. 3 months is it? Yeah,
Yup.
3 months. So basically, I'm packing for our next cruise to Fjord, plus a little bit this and that for my daily activity and my daily, routines, just normal clothes and all that. And then we've got another pile of clothes over there that I decided
He
to
doesn't know
ship.
what's going on. He doesn't know what's going on. He's waiting for his dinner. And so in here we have our shipping suitcase, a big one that is broken, so no use for travelling, but perfect for shipping. And this is my stuff ready for going. So I have coats and outerwear. I think that one is, I don't know what's in it. I'm going to try and make some labels, I think. Shorts, that's t-shirts, I remember that. That's polo shirts. And then I think this one's like just shirts. So yeah, I'm very organised. And that's going to go in a big backpack. And I'm also going to take a small backpack, and that's going to be it for 3 months. And that's trees. And this is what we're going to be sleeping on once our beds ship. Air beds. And we're borrowing clothes from mum and dad. Not clothes, bedding from mum and dad. So yeah, that's going to be fun. But all part of the adventure.